Before there were supermarkets, before trucks carried strawberries across continents, there was something older. Listen, I start with seeds, but not in a store. I grow with care, and I give you more. I keep you fed, I house your bees. I thrive on land with skies and trees. I rise from effort, sweat, and hand. I root myself into the land. What am I? It begins quietly. A seed disappears beneath the surface. Nothing glamorous, nothing loud, just patience. Whatever the answer is, it does not grow overnight. In 1862, under President Abraham Lincoln, the Homestead Act offered 160 acres to those brave enough to claim it. Over 270 million acres would change hands, land in exchange for effort. 5 years of proving you could make it live. No guarantees, no safety net, just soil. And the question, can you survive here? Winters froze crops solid. Grasshoppers darkened skies. Isolation pressed in like the cold. Yet they stayed. Why? Because the answer to our riddle offered more than food. Laura Ingalls Wilder wrote of long winters and prairie fires in Little House on the Prairie. But beneath the hardship was something deeper. Ownership, self-reliance, a life built by your own hands. You might think it ended there. It didn't. In Montana, in Oregon, on quiet acres and wide skies, it continued. And now, even in cities, between concrete and traffic, the answer grows again. It feeds you, it powers you, it teaches you. Some produce most of their food on less than 1 acre. Some live fully off-grid. Some simply grow tomatoes in a backyard and call it enough. What connects them? The average meal travels over 1,000 miles. Here, it travels 10 steps. Let's hear it again. I start with seeds, but not in a store. I grow with care, and I give you more. I keep you fed. I house your bees. I thrive on land with skies and trees. I rise from effort, sweat, and hand. I root myself into the land. What am I? The answer is a homestead. Not simply land, not merely a farm, but a living covenant between effort and earth. A place where food is grown, not fetched, where independence is cultivated, where soil remembers your footsteps. It is not about acreage. It is about intention, and perhaps it is waiting.